Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer the question, why should you seal a wood deck? Many of us seal our decks for aesthetics. Let's face it, decks are beautiful when they're newly sealed, and you can even purchase a sealant with a pigment. Still, there are other reasons, such as protecting your wood from harsh UV rays in the summer and snow in the winter. Sealing your deck will also help protect the wood against mold and mildew, which can be not only sightly, but a health hazard as well. Sealing your deck helps keep pests such as termites, ants, and wasps from finding homes in the crevices. If you're looking for a sealant, this one from Ready Seal comes in a variety of colors. And if you're looking for a clear protector, you may wish to try a Seal Once Nano penetration wood sealer. Keeping your deck well maintained will give you and your family a safe, healthy place to relax and make some memories. If you have any other concerns or questions, please feel free to click the link below and check out some of our other videos, or feel free to check out our website at backyarduniversity.org. We've also included the links to the mentioned products below.